welcome back to another video. Today's video I'm going to be finishing off decorating these extensions what I built in my last video. If you haven't seen that video, I shall leave the link for that one at the end of this one. If you want to go over and watch it, you can do, or if you want to watch that first then come back and watch this one, it's up to you what way around you want to do it. Right guys, so that has all been filed, shaped and buffed. Now I'm going to do a little crystal design on there. So I'm using the Rosalind gem glue. I'm just going to pop that where I want it. So now that's that now all finished guys. I'm just going to finish it off with the Modelones No Wipe Shiny Top Coat. Look at that glitter guys. And then with these glass nails you want to go underneath as well. And it'll just make it that even more shinier. Just going to go in with my detailer brush around these crystals. Alright guys, so that is that now done. How pretty is that? I'm loving that glitter, you know. And look how clear this polygel is. It is super, super clear. Wow. That's definitely the clearest polygel I've used anyway. It's really, really clear. And that top coat is super shiny. Love the top coat. Crystals are looking gorgeous. So that's that now done. Now let's get into finishing my nails. So I'm just going to get set up and then I'll pop back in a minute. Right guys, I've not got no butterfly stencils, so I'm going to give something a little try. Whether it's going to work or not I don't know, so bear with me on this one. I'm going to pop a tiny little dollop of, I think we'll try it on this one first. Tiny little dab of matte top coat. Now I've got some butterfly sequins. So I've got some white paint and I've got a sponge. And I'm gonna dab the sponge into the paint. Right, now I'm going to take these butterflies off, and I'm hoping it's going to leave a butterfly. Yeah, look at that. Ooh. It worked. Look. Oh, I love it. So I'm going to quickly cure that. So now I'm going to do the same again on pointer finger. So now I'm using that white paint and a detailer brush, and I'm just going to paint a white line around that smile line. Right, so they're all done, guys. I'm now going to finish them off with some of the Modelones non-wipe shiny top coat, and then that'll be them done. Remember, you want to do the underneath of this clear one as well. So there we are, guys. That is the sculpted nail what I did. Using the Modelones Soft Pink, Modelones Clear, the glitter what comes in the kit, base coat, top coat, file. Pretty much everything that come in the kit. And this is my nails done. What do you think? I think they're really cute. Really, really cute. I'm pleased those sequins worked. I just wish I'd done the white a little bit brighter and faded it out a little bit more. But it's the first time I've ever done it, so I don't think I've done bad for my first practice run. And I am loving this clear, guys. Look at this clear polygel. Look at that. How clear is that? Wow. Super clear. So yeah, that is them done, guys. What do you think? I really hope you like them. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you would. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell with your notifications turned on. That way you'll never miss an upload. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.